Forgot your Windows 11 login password? No matter how many times you try, you can't unlock it. What should you do? Hey, what's up guys? This is PassFab channel. If you're facing this situation, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 methods to remove your Windows 11 password without logging in. Let's not waste any time and get started. Method 1. Use password reset disk to remove the login password. When you enter the wrong password in the Windows login interface, an option to reset the password will appear. At this point, you can use a password reset disk. Insert the password reset disk into your computer. Then click the reset password option. Follow the prompts. Here, you can reset or remove the password. Without entering a new password, click Next to remove the existing password. OK, click Finish to complete the password removal. Then click the Login option to access the Windows desktop. The downside of this method is that you need to create a password reset disk in advance, which can be done in the control panel's user accounts. If you can't access Windows, you can't directly create a password reset disk. In this case, you'll need to use third-party tools to create a password reset disk. Here, I will recommend you try method 2. Use PassFab 4 Winky to create password reset disk. It supports multiple Windows system versions, and the creation process is simple and convenient. If you're interested, click the link in the video description below to get PassFab 4 Winky. Next, you'll need to download and install PassFab 4 Winky on another accessible computer. Then insert a blank USB with a capacity of 4 GB or more into the computer. Click the Start button, then wait for the ISO image to download. After it's done, select the inserted USB device. Then click Start Burning and Next. Wait for the password reset disk to be burned. Then click Next to check the subsequent operations and USB boot methods. Now, insert the created password reset disk into the computer where you forgot the password. Then press and hold the Shift key and select the Restart option. Wait for Windows 11 to restart and open the boot options. Then you need to select Use a device. Choose a USB drive to boot here. Wait for PassFab 4 Winky to load. OK, now you need to select the Windows 11 system version and click Next. Then select the forgotten username in the account. Below the function area, you can choose the options to remove and reset the password. Select the Remove Account Password option and click Next. Wait for the password deletion to complete, then click Reboot. After the Windows computer restarts, you can directly access the Windows desktop. This successfully removes the Windows login password. Of course, if you have a Windows installation disk, you can also try the next method, which is a bit more complicated. Method 3. Use Windows installation disk to remove Windows password. Some Windows computers require password verification to open troubleshoot in the boot options. However, using a Windows installation disk can bypass this password verification. Now, insert the Windows installation disk into the Windows 11 computer. Then press and hold the Shift key and select the Restart option. Subsequent operations are the same as method 2. Select USB to boot. Wait for the Windows installation disk to load. OK, after opening Windows Setup, click Next. Then choose the option to repair your computer. Then the boot options will open again. Here, choose Troubleshoot, Command Prompt. OK, now you need to execute 4 commands to modify the COM function. After completing the command execution, close the command prompt. Click Continue to boot Windows 11. OK, on the login screen, you need to press Shift 5 times. This will open the sticky keys prompt, but we'll modify it to ChemD. Then execute the password removal command here. First, type NetUser to display the account name in Windows 11. Then type NetUser again and press the spacebar to enter the forgotten account name. Then press the space bar again, followed by an asterisk, and press enter to execute the command. Come will prompt you to enter a new password. If you want to remove the password, press enter twice. This completes the password removal. Press the login button to access the Windows desktop. This is the method of removing the password using the Windows installation disk, which is relatively cumbersome. The commands executed in the video will also be placed in the description. Okay, these are the 3 methods to remove the Windows 11 password without logging in this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the video description to learn more about PassFab 4 Winky. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for your support. See you in the next video.